Sabi ko dun eh. O diba? Ano na nalay kasi Bluetooth yung sa... Walang wire yung sa akin, oh.
Sabi ko, Bluetooth eh.
Walang wire dito. Oh my gosh, pero of course, congratulations to Team Will! Our winners for tonight. Grabe, napakasulit and affordable ng Greenwich pizzas natin, but also still loaded with toppings and very high quality flavors. Kaya naman, ito, congratulations to Team Will. You guys just won 1,000 pesos worth of gift certificates. Yes, congratulations guys. Okay, pero syempre, lahat ay winner dito because you guys will be able to take home 500 pesos worth of Greenwich gift certificates. Okay, sorry, ito ang selfie natin. Si Triata, congratulations. You guys are winners also. Okay. Thank you so much to all of our fans and our supporters for coming here. Let's all have a group photo. Let's move forward po. Ayun. Okay, once again, our members for the Greenwich Sarapto Field G price is right. Yan, let's have our quick photo up. Grabe ang bilis ng game natin, no? Kasi naka-wired kasi yung kay Will. Yung iba, Bluetooth. There you go. Perfect. Thank you so much to our members for our prize right Field G game. There you go. Okay, let's have our fans exit. Maraming salamat and thank you so much for joining us for our game. Ito, syempre, let's have our seats here. Thank you so much. Okay. Ito naman, Bianx, balita ko may something ka with your fans this weekend.
Yes, mga ka-PUG fans, samahan niyo po kami sa pag-celebrate ng World Pizza Day in all Greenwich stores nationwide. This weekend po yan from Feb 7 to 8 na po from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. At namimigay ng free pizza slices si Greenwich. So see you guys!
Yes, and talaga namang super generous ang Greenwich, whether it's toppings or pizza slices. But wait, I know it doesn't stop there, Donnie. I heard that we have more treats next week.
We do! Malapit na rin ang Valentine's. Kaya sakto, samahan niyo po kami. This coming Feb 13 to 15, we have a Lasagna Supreme Date sa Greenwich. For only 199 pesos, may 2 Lasagna Supreme Dates ka na. At may free greeting card ka pa.
Ay, happy Valentine's sa lahat ng taken dyan. Ooh, at syempre, let's make sure not to miss out on these Lasagna Supreme Dates via dine-in and take-out and share the Field G via Grab Food. Okay, guys, gusto ko naman malaman, SMX, SM Aura, kumusta naman kayo? Nag-enjoy pa kayo? Yes, good job. And again, I know you guys are so excited to post your photos and videos on all your social media platforms. Kaya naman, don't forget to use our hashtag #SarapToFeelGFanMeets. Okay, ito naman, syempre, we've been standing the whole night. Meron ng mga chairs dito behind us. It's time for a short but sweet Chika Minute. Yes, okay, ito, find your seats, guys. And we will have you take your seats, I know. And we have Bianx here, the 2 women. Okay, so again, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, we've been having a lot of fun bonding and enjoying each other's company dito. Di ba tama guys? Nag-enjoy ba tayo? Yes. Ulit, isa pa. Next, nag-enjoy ba tayo? Perfect. Okay, kaya naman now, it is time to have a short Chika Minute up close and personal with our Field G fam. Let's talk Field G. And tonight, to complete our guests, we have Greenwich Head of Marketing, Ali De Torres, to join us here on stage. Hi, Sir Ali. Okay, Sir Ali, good evening. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, Sir Ali, how do you feel about our fan meet so far? Kamusta? Yes, of course.
Ako actually, in behalf of the rest of the Greenwich family, we're very, very thankful for everyone. Maraming salamat po for coming and maraming salamat din sa PLG fam, Bianca, Esnir, Will, and of course, Donnie. Thank you guys. We're very, very thankful. You guys, alam niyo na yan, we've been having amazing conversations since the morning.
Yes, you know, Ali, it's so nice to have you here joining us. For tonight, we also have several questions from our friends from the media. I'm sure you guys are so eager to ask our friends, our family, our PLG family here, and of course, Ali, to get to know more about our Greenish campaigns. Kaya naman, we have our microphones. I believe meron po mga microphones around our venue. So our friends from the media, you guys can approach the mic. And also, please don't forget to introduce yourselves, your name, and the media that you are representing. And we would also like to remind that we would like to focus our questions on, of course, our Greenish campaigns and our brand. Siyempre, mahal naman natin yung Greenish, di ba? Tama? Yes. Kaya naman, let's keep it Greenish. Let's keep it PLG. Our first friend from the media is... Nasaan yung microphone? Yes? Dito ba? Yes.
Hello, first Sir Ali. Hello, I'm Trish from Spot. When I think of Greenwich, kasi naisip ko parang sarap, tsaka togetherness. So parang how does this fan meet bring that to fruition, to life?
I don't think we have to explain even more about Trish. Parang today was such a fun night. Tama ba? It's such a fun night it's such a PLG night ng pagsasama-sama and over pizza, and we're just very, very thankful for these people to lead us, Esmir, Bianca, Tony, and Will. So I think that's it. No further explanation. You guys can see it, and we're very, very thankful. Thanks, Trish.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Trish from Spot. Ito naman, we have here another question. Yes, po.
Hello everyone, congratulations. I'm Dini of Filster.com. To our endorsers, my question is, what is it about Greenwich Pizza that keeps you coming back, and what makes it masarap for you?
What makes it masarap for me is that I get to spend it with the people that mean a lot to me. But more than that, yung sinagot ko kanina sa press con, I love the fact that Greenwich is able to offer quality, great tasting pizza, pero hindi sobrang sakit sa bulsa. Kasi sa economy ngayon, di ba guys, yung pera natin, importante yan, di ba? So gusto natin ng isang brand kung saan kaya-kaya natin i-attain yung level of taste that we would require for a great bonding session, and kitang-kita natin yun sa Greenwich Pizza. Yun.
Go Bianca.
Well, for me naman, tulad din ng sinabi ko sa press con earlier, I said na Greenwich really, it gives me a sense of nostalgia. Parang it feels like coming back home kahit sa isang kagad lang ng pizza, because I spent the early days of my childhood with Greenwich, with my family, and I think a lot of people here and whoever is watching can relate to that, na talagang lasagna and of course their pizza, you know, it just really feels like home. So, ayun.
Thank you, Bianca. Okay, Esnir.
I think what makes it masarap? Toppings pa lang, it's a wrap! Hindi, sobrang sarap po talaga sa akin ng Greenwich kasi syempre, ayun nga, yung sabi ko kanina, sobrang high class ng mga ingredients, at the same time, the affordability. I think kasi ito yung parang main factor din talaga na ma-afford ng mga students, syempre, and of course, para yung pagiging available or like affordable niya, hindi lang siya promo, kumbaga all-rounders, all year round siyang same price. Kaya hindi lang nakabase sa pag may event, may promos, ganyan. Kaya ayun, sobrang I love you, Greenwich.
Thank you, Esnir. Okay, go Will.
Ako naman, kaya sinabi na Sneer. Oo. Kaya sinabi na Sneer, syempre, yung pagiging affordable nitong ng Greenwich. Kasi sobrang subok ko na yan. Kagaya nga rin ang sinabi ko kanina, nung nag-audition pala ako, nag-start pa lang talaga ako sa showbiz. Greenwich talaga yung isa sa tinatakbuhan namin, sa kinakanina namin. Ang lasagna, tapos ang Hawaiian pizza, Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa balikan talaga. At babalik-balikan mo rin yung Hawaiian pizza kasi kaya naman, I love you, Greenwich.
Thank you so much to our PhilG fam for answering that question, and thank you so much po. Okay, ito, we have another question.
Hi, good evening. I'm Portia from Selfie, an online magazine. So my questions to the PhilG ambassadors. Why do you think food, especially pizza, plays such a big role in building meaningful connections, especially sa ating mga Filipino? Thank you.
I think that pizza is a viral role in our community.
Diba?
Yes! Kasi syempre, it plays a big role, ano na talaga, when you share it. You know, the sense of togetherness, the sense of belongingness. You share your food together with the loved ones of your life. Oh, and sarap to feel you.
Sa akin kasi pag sinabing hangout, parang hindi kompleto yung hangout kung walang pizza. Di ba guys? So marami kayong kasama, parang dapat matik na. Dapat may pizza doon. So kailangan yung pizza sinishare, nagbabanding kayo, one by one, nakita mo, naubos na yung piece. Tayo nga minsan dahil Pinoy tayo, may isang piece na natitira, ayun yung kunin. Pero yun yung pinaka-importante, sharing that journey of eating together. And pag masarap yung pagkain, okay din yung bonding nyo. Kasi kung medyo hindi okay, pero para yung mga conversations nyo, hindi the best, di ba? So kailangan the best. Kailangan feel G palagi.
Perfect. Okay, ikaw, Bianca.
Well, for me naman, tulad ng sabi ni Donnie, yung pizza kasi parang talagang you really have to share it with the people that you love or the people that you're with. Kasi yun yung, for me, yun yung role niya. And you get to share that journey with the people that you're with. And with that, you also get to talk about kung ano-ano, meaningful conversation. So, yeah, for me, parang ako with my friends, I love kapag may order kami, talagang the first thing that comes into mind is really Greenwich Pizza. Yun na talaga, like without even having to think. So, yeah.
Good. Actually, gusto ko lang i-share. Meron kaming Christmas party last year. Bago pa nag-PBB si Bianca.
Yes.
Order kami ng Greenwich Pizza.
Yes! Oh, I
Diba?
remember.
Exactly. So exactly, like what they all mentioned, it's really about sharing moments with pizza. Ikaw, Will, last but not the least.
Ako, you know what makes pizza special? Ito yung ano talaga eh, syempre yung bonding, yung connection na nabubuo ninyo. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung kapag ka, di ba, hinainan ka ng masarap na pagkain, ano bang naibibigay sa'yo ng kasiyahan, di ba? Kagaya dito sa pizza, sinishare nyo sa isa't isa, and nakakreate kayo ng masasayang memories together. And when you're happy kasi, dami mong pwedeng magawa, di ba? So, yeah, eat pizza guys, eat Greenwich.
Thank you so much to our PhilG ambassadors. Thank you so much as well for your question, Miss Portia. Okay, we are down to our last question for our friends from the media. Yes, po.
Hello, good evening. This is Alphon Cabanilla from Rappler. And my question is, what responsibility do brands have when they bring fans and artists together in one space?
For that wonderful question.
I believe
Pressure, no?
I believe it. I think for Greenwich, it's really all about we're actually in a Sarap to Feel G era. So what we really wanted to do today is to get people who love pizza, love the Feel G fam together in one place, and just have a really, really good time. So that's what we were set out to do today, and I hope nagawa natin, and I'm sure it seems like everyone had a great time, di ba? So, tama ba? Yun yung sinet out to do namin. Yun yung responsibility ba? Yung question? No, but yeah, I think seriously, we just really wanted to have a Sarap to Feel G moment tonight with everyone who loves Greenwich and who loves the Feel G fam. And thank you guys. Thank you so much for all of the love tonight and for the love for Greenwich. Thank you po.
Sir Ali, I'll add to that now. Because doing a lot of events already, I think this is probably one of, if not the biggest event I've had under a brand with a fan meet. If I'm not mistaken, matatawag na yan. Parang ito talaga yung biggest. And I love the fact that yung Greenwich, ever since before, from the past pa talaga, sobrang parte talaga ng brand yung barkada. You know, not a lot of brands focus on that. Yung barkada talaga, it's the connections you have with one another. And in a world that's so disconnected, I think it's so important for all of us to really have people around us that can just be there for us, and we can spend time talking, fellowship, eating, you know, having great bonding moments. And I'm so glad that a brand like Greenwich really focuses on that. So on behalf of everyone, actually, thank you Greenwich for bringing us all together. We love you, and thank you. That's it. It's all about genuine connections at the end of the day. Yeah.
PLG connection.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And thank you for your wonderful question. I think that is a perfect way to close our Chika Minute. Pero syempre, everyone, sabihin naman natin, thank you, Greenwich! Thank you, Greenwich! Thank you so much again for being here for our PLG fan meet. And before we end our program for tonight, syempre, I'm sure our brand ambassadors have a message for all their fans and supporters who are here tonight, starting with Esmir.
Yes, guys, thank you for gracing us with your presence. Maraming salamat po sa oras na binigay nyo at sa oras na ginugol nyo for this one. Thank you so much. I'm so happy na nag-connect po tayong lahat tonight. And of course, to Greenwich team, maraming salamat po for this. Grabe, this is more than just an endorsement to me para the trust na binigay niyo po sa amin. At alam niyo po yun, parang to be able to represent something that we love. Maraming salamat po. Kaya maraming salamat guys! Thank you so much and do more! Diba?
Thank you so much, Esmir. Go, Will.
Ako, syempre, unang-una sa lahat, ipapasalamat ako sa Greenwich family for making this event possible. Kasi kung hindi naman din po dahil sa inyo, hindi namin magagawa ito makapagpasaya ng mga tao at makapag-create ng connection sa kanilang lahat, sa ating lahat. And sa inyo pong lahat na naglaan ng oras para makasama kami ngayong gabi na to, maraming salamat po sa inyong effort, sa inyong time. Sana po sa maikling oras na nagsama-sama tayo, napasaya po namin kayo. At sana sa pag-uwi ninyo, ibawan niyo po yung ngiti sa inyong mga yakin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Will. Go, Yas.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you so much for your time and your effort. And sobrang nakakataba ng puso na makita kayo lahat dito. Talagang this is really such a way to end our night. Sobrang saya po namin lahat. Our hearts are so full. And of course, our Greenwich family, thank you so much for the trust. Thank you for giving us another home to come home to. So, ayan. We love you guys!
Thank you, Yas. Last but not least, Donnie.
Guys, I just want to thank you all so much for being here today. Alam namin na hindi talaga madali yung mga efforts niyo to go from a far place. Yung iba, nagaling pa sa
Palagay mo muna to doon.
Yung iba, nagaling abroad. Please, ito may Davao kanina pa. Joanna, thank you so much. But a lot of you guys, you know, have come from so far. So, you've also waited, you've lined up. Last year pa tong event na to. Maraming salamat. Wala tong event kung walang supporters. So, maraming salamat guys for always being there for us. You know, we see all your efforts. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam ng more than this family, we really have a family beyond all of these walls. So, I'm so excited to meet you guys. Here's a meet and greet, and we love you. On behalf of the Greenwich family, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Donnie. Last but not least, Sir Ali. Ikaw naman, Sir Ali, go. We have Ali Nation.
You know what? I just want to echo what everyone said here. I just want to echo what the PLG fans said. We're very thankful for everyone. Maraming salamat po for loving Greenwich. And what we can promise you is we'll keep making our products even better. Mas masarap ng mga pizzas and of course Asana Supreme. And we'll make sure na sulit sarap yan every single day para madalas lagi yung PLG connections natin. So thank you so much po sa pagmamahal for Greenwich at sa PLG family. Hopefully magawa natin to ulit sometime soon.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Ali. Again, palakpakan po natin, Sir Ali, Esmir, Will, Bianca, and Donnie. And maraming salamat po ulit sa everyone who we are launching Share the PLG, where you can share a coupon with your loved ones every time you purchase Greenwich pizzas. Then on February 7 to 8, Greenwich will also be giving away free pizza slices as a celebration for World Pizza Day. And sa Valentine's naman, February 14, have a lasagna supreme date for only 199 pesos. My free greeting card ka pa from Feb 13 to 15, so make sure to drop by our stores. Kaya naman, we'll see you guys there, but we are not yet done because we still have one more thing. Meron po kaming surprise! Happy birthday, Donnie and Brianna! From our Greenwich family. Okay, I think ang surprise namin, there you go. Oh my gosh! Once again, sabihin po natin, happy birthday, Donnie and Bianca! And 3, 2, 1! Okay? So of course, Donnie and Bianca from our Greenwich family, please make a wish before blowing out your candles. Okay? Okay, and syempre, we have one more surprise and special gift from your fan clubs for Donnie and Bianca. There we go. Let's have them come up to the stage. Okay, now let's call on our donators, PH and Bianca Peaches. I think ito na sila. And ito naman, yung cake mismo from the Greenwich family. Once again, this is our donators, PH and our Bianca Peaches, our fan clubs for Bianca and Donnie celebrating their birthdays this February. And ito naman ang cakes natin from the Greenwich family. Again, happy birthday to our February babies, Donnie and Bianca. Okay, let's have our quick photo op with our birthday cakes from for Donnie and Bianca from Greenwich. Maraming salamat din sa our donators, PH and Bianca Peaches, for preparing their surprise cakes and gifts for Donnie and Bianca. Thank you so much to our PLG Greenwich family for our birthday surprise for Donnie and Bianca. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan. Once again, maraming salamat to all of our PLG fans who joined us here at SMX SM Aura. My name is Ayana Perlas, and this has been the Greenwich Sarap to PLG, the fan meet. To all of the fans who will be taking your photos with our PLG fam, please return to your seats, and also please wait to be called, as again, your safety is our utmost priority. So please take your seats. No pushing po. Let's give our cakes also to, yes, our handlers. Maraming salamat. And we would also like to remind